Hello, welcome to my unboxing video of this Lifestyle Advance AirSteam PRO earbud. It says it's true wireless earbud, so we'll see. But I'm gonna be just unboxing it and maybe review it later. So the specs on this earbud is that it's this Bluetooth 5.0, working range 30 feet. Earphones have 35 milliamps hour battery each. Charging case has 350 milliamp hour battery in there. And portable charging case, fully charged earphone 4 times. So it has a very nice packaging. All that different stuff, specs, and it has one of those magnetic flip covers so you can see all the nice detailed advertising, product design, promotion, whatever. So it says it's designed in the USA. It looks like any other iPhone AirPod, but this one's black. I picked the black one because I just want to make it look a little subtle, little not too showy. So let's take a look. It's not much unboxing, pretty much opening the box. Just slide it out of these nicely, easily packaged stickers. This out of the way, and then the base. Got something here. Got the instruction booklet there. What's inside here? So this is the Lifestyle Advance AirSteam PRO. I got it pretty cheap. So this is a, okay, cable, but the cable is white. Anyway, so the charger case, it kind of looks like some knockoff Beat logo. I'm sorry, but well, it looks like it, right? And that looked just like something's familiar. That someone has already designed. So let me zoom in down here a little bit. Since they're black, so it's marked left and right. And then the case, charging case, it's pretty decent. There's a little magnetic snap-on action going on there. So that's the unboxing part. It's pretty simple, but yeah, pretty cheap because guy got it on sale. There's some pretty bad review online, so maybe it has some technical difficulties and problems usually when these things are cheap. But here it is, the unboxing of the Lifestyle Advance. Okay, so I'm trying to pair these up So use the right side first and hold that button for 5 seconds until the light comes on. So here we go. 2, 3. Yeah, so there's barely a blinking light that's blinking, and then I'm supposed to search from my phone. Here it is, AirSteam Pro. Tap that. Pairing. Oh, I forgot to pair the left side. So I'm supposed to, let me cancel it. Do the same thing with the left side and hold 5 seconds to, oh, it's saying something. I missed it. But now I think both of them are paired. So I am going to tap that again, start pairing. Okay. It's saying something, so I have to plug these in to hear what's it saying. Let's see. Play some YouTube. Oh yes, it's working. Hey, it works right out of the box. So it's just a bunch of videos. You can't hear it, but it works just fine. So pretty simple instructions, just like how other AirPod, or well, not AirPod, but this is wireless earbud, whatever it is. I'm gonna have to test it using Zoom later on, but in terms of pairing, pretty painless and pretty good. So that would be the first review experience with these AirPod. Yeah, I got them fairly cheap, under 20 bucks, under 15 bucks, 10 bucks. Can you believe it? Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do find something like this, give it a try if it's cheap enough, and it's convenient, less cable wire tangled, and won't mess up your hair with the big old headset. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you next time.